values from the triangle x plus 5 equals x minus 2 and x plus 1. So as we see, the model extracted the information perfectly. It didn't do any mistake here, but it was marked as a 2. This is completely wrong. The model understood perfectly the image, and there wasn't any image understanding failure. So the justification given is that the model did give the correct answer, but it didn't state the formula, which is given as in the prompt. However, this is not corresponding to the image understanding rating. This shouldn't be penalized here, and this is completely independent on if it follows the prompt or not. So this would make the task fail. This is a pretty major mistake that should be avoided. We continue and we see the image independent reasoning. This rating is correct. This is a correct rating because the model actually gave the correct answer and was able to apply correct math reasoning to solve the problem. Even if this is also a mistake that it didn't follow the prompt completely, that would fall under satisfaction. So this would be penalized here in satisfaction and should be give a lower rate because of this. But it has nothing to do with image understanding, which, as we can see, was done perfectly by the model. So in this case, this turn doesn't have an image understanding failure. If we go to the next prompt, this actually is better. It says solve for the value for y even in the upper triangle and state the formula used in it. If we see the responses and the ratings, it asks for basically this triangle, and it's given 1 because the model fails to solve the question. The value of the hypotenuse was incorrect, given by the prompt. So indeed the hypotenuse would be this one or this one, and it's incorrect. It's not a 14. So in this case, it did have an image understanding failure. This would count as an image understanding failure, but the one up there, it's not, because in the one up it did extract the correct values. In this one, it didn't. So that's the difference between a real image understanding failure and a one that's not. Please be careful with this. If there's no image understanding failure, there should be rated as a 3, or in this case that it's failed, it should be rated as a 1 or a 2. Please make sure that you understand this, and also the difference between image independent reasoning and image understanding, and they're two separate things, and also the satisfaction part.